Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, pound US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD, and as we can see, market has formed a green candle right now with price rejection from below in the previous candle. So if we look at the present chart right now, then the chart seems bullish, is not it? But we need to consider many factors before executing a order. So let's find out. So if you look at the chart of pound US dollar, then we can clearly see that after this huge fall, okay, market tried to recover, market failed, and right now market is trying to recover again. And if we just look at this present portion of the market, then we can clearly see that market is trying to go up, because see, market has formed a low here, market formed a high, market came down, but market did not cross the previous high, rather market formed a higher low here. Again market went up, market formed a higher high. Market came down, again market formed a higher low. Market formed here lower high. And if we join these price levels on the upside, we can easily join this resistance level, and we get this black line which is acting as a resistance for the market, that I have clearly explained in my yesterday's video. On the downside also, we can also join the price levels which is acting as a support for the market. In your charting platform, in your trading platform also, you can also join these price levels. Once you join this price level, then you will get a better understanding of the chart. So it is extremely essential for every trader to follow the chart. So please draw these lines in your charting platform. On the other hand, we have got one more line here, okay, this pink line here, and you can see that this pink line is also kind of acting as a resistance for the market. Therefore, though pound USD is trying to go up here, okay, though it is forming lower highs here, so higher lows here, though it is forming higher lows here, which means that buyers are there in the market and they are very much interested, or they are doing their best to take the price upward. But on the other hand, we can clearly see that sellers are there in the market, or sellers are sitting at the top, and they are not allowing the market to go that easily. And whenever we get a pattern like this, we call it as symmetrical triangle pattern. And in a symmetrical triangle pattern, then generally it is seen that market crosses the trend line above and it goes up. In general, okay, in general, market crosses the trend line above and it goes up, then it is considered as the best buying position when market crosses the trend line above. Okay. But here in the chart of pound USD, you can clearly see that we have got two resistance level. Therefore, it will be very hard for GBP USD to cross the level. On the downside, if you're thinking that you should short the market, then first and foremost, we have this black line as the support for the market. On the other hand, we have got this red line also. This red line is the 1.3790, and this red line is the support from the weekly chart that I have clearly shown in my yesterday's video. And as we all know, weekly chart is extremely important because weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big players. So if market, okay, if there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, or if sellers push the price, then still market will be getting support here. So right now, the main thing is that pound USD is caught in a narrow range here. So my suggestion will be, okay, to avoid trading on pound USD. Okay, if you're looking for a trending market or bigger profit, then avoid trading on pound USD as long as it is trading in this particular range. Go for or the order once it crosses either this level on the upside, this black line, this trend line on the upside, or this 3790 level on the downside. Until and unless it crosses these two levels, I'll say that you should avoid pound US dollar, because see, right now we can see that in the previous candle there was price rejection from below, and right now market was trying to go up, but you can clearly see that the price is being rejected from above. If you look at the chart of dollar index here, uh, I hate this thing. We were in a momentum and the chart is not giving us it is doing slow. Sorry. Anyways, I will be jumping to the dollar index later. Right now you can see that this is the currency strength meter. Okay, in the currency strength meter also you can see that US dollar is standing tall in comparison to GBP. And as I have clearly spoken in my hundreds and hundreds of videos, that whenever we get a scenario like this, whenever we get two currencies almost of the equal strength, then there is a possibility that market will be in a sideways range, or there will not be a trending market. If one currency is weak, let's say JPY is very strong and euro is weak, so this kind of market you will see a trend. Okay, you'll see a trending market. But when you will get two currency pairs of almost of the equal strength, then there is a possibility that the currency pair will remain sideways, and GBP USD are of the equal strength, so there is a possibility that there will not be much movement, or there will not be a trending market because of the same strength in the two currencies. And I would like to show you the dollar index once. So this is the dollar index, US dollar index. I'm in the 4 hours time frame. And in the dollar index also you can clearly see that it is following a trend line, or there is a trend line present in the chart of dollar, which is acting as a support for the market. And right now you can see that after hitting the support level, we can see price rejection from below, which means that this trend line is acting as support for the market, or trying to provide support for the market. And as we all know, if dollar starts going up, then pound will fall, and we'll see some selling pressure in the chart of GBP USD. So you can also keep your eyes in the chart of dollar index, okay, to guess the moment, or to predict the moment of euro USD or pound USD. And on the other hand, if you go to the forex sentiment meter in my website, okay, you can go to avilashhajarika.com. Under forex 101 section you will find the forex sentiment meter. In the forex sentiment meter also you can see that 42% traders have taken long short position, and 57% traders have taken long position. And in fact, retail traders are also very much confused. They are also in a confusing state of mind. They are also not sure whether the market will go up or down. And as we all know, almost every day 90% retail traders lose money, because they always stand against the trend. And but right now they are also very much confused. So retail traders also do not have a clear picture, and we also do not have a clear picture. So it will be better for us to not risk our hard-earned money, and wait for the GBP USD to give us a clear direction. So the main thing is that wait for the perfect opportunity. Do not risk your hard-earned money in a chart that you do not understand. And right now you can see that we have good price rejection from above, because dollar is going up. So you are seeing the effect of US dollar going up in the chart of pound. Okay, so market is very confusing state right now, so please avoid pound US dollar as of now, or until and unless it crosses either this level on the upside or this level on the downside. Please do not risk your money on a chart that you do not understand. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.